For today's project, we're pairing the eufyMake E1 with our laser engraver to create a truly custom gift that helps kids learn how to spell their name in a fun, hands-on way. We started by placing a piece of 1/8 inch MDF into our laser and cutting it down to size before moving it over to the E1. This MDF is actually designed for sublimation, but it works great with UV printing as well. Before printing, we gave it a quick wipe down to remove any smoke residue from the laser. Clean surface, good to go. We're using the mini bed for this project, and this piece fits perfectly. Since this material has a bit of a shine to it, we also applied an adhesion promoter to make sure we get the best possible bond with the ink. With everything prepped and ready, let's head over to eufyMake Studio and get this project started. As always, we like to start by hitting the snapshot button before we build out our design. This gives us a clean reference of our material and helps line everything up perfectly. For this project, we're going with an ocean theme, and eufyMake Studio already has a ton of great built-in patterns ready to use. One of our favorite things about these patterns is that they're seamless. That means you can place them next to each other or even layer them on top of one another to scale the design as big or as small as you need. We lay everything out knowing it doesn't have to go edge to edge, since those areas will be covered later in the project. Once the snapshot is complete, we fine-tune the final size and position until everything looks just right. Since this is a fairly small print, we're also going to bump the print quality up to high to get the best detail possible. And because our material is pure white, we don't actually need a white ink layer for this one. So we'll switch over to CMYK only and let the colors do the work. With everything set and ready to go, all that's left to do is hit the start button and let the E1 do its thing. While that's printing, we jump back over to the laser and cut a few more pieces. To give this project a more organic look, we're using another piece of MDF with a linen texture. From that sheet, we cut out the letters that spell out Charlie. We also cut the same letters from 1/4 inch thick clear acrylic to add a bit of depth and contrast to the final piece. Once the print is finished, we can take a closer look at the results, and it turned out great. The pattern is nice and sharp, and the blue color looks spot on. Now it's time to assemble everything. Before cutting, we added double-sided adhesive to the back of the linen MDF, which makes assembly incredibly easy. There's no glue involved at all. Just line up the edges, press everything into place, and you're done. This ends up being a really nice gift for kids since it helps build both motor skills and spelling in a fun, hands-on way. We had a lot of fun with this project because before having a UV printer, adding color to our laser projects meant buying pre-patterned materials. Now, we can create our own designs and really customize every part of the project. Let us know what you think and post in the comments below. How will you use your laser with the eufyMake E1? Thanks for watching and stay creative.